Welcome to Generational Code Podcast. Today, we're unlocking the future 7 powerful business ideas that are set to dominate Africa in 2026. We're diving deep into the trends, shaping the next wave of African wealth. If you've ever dreamed of building a business that thrives, scales, and creates real impact, this episode is your roadmap. So, grab your notepad, turn up the volume, and let's decode the future of African entrepreneurship together. 10.1. Real estate and hospitality. Urban growth. Africa's cities are expanding fast. By 2026, urban housing demand will hit record highs. Mid-income apartments, gated communities, and smart housing will dominate. Hospitality. Boom, increasing intra-Africa travel. Hotels, Airbnbs, and boutique lodges will see demand. Affordable housing gap investors who provide low-cost housing will make strong returns. Luxury niches. Resorts, beach villas, and deco lodges for tourism and diaspora investors will thrive. Point 2. Agri-tech and agro-processing. Food security push. Africa imports billions in food yearly. Local agro-processing will cut costs and boost export potential. Value addition. Cassava to starch, maize to flour, and fruits to juice, turning raw produce into higher value products. Job creation. This sector absorbs youth and women at scale, from farm to factory. Point 3. Waste management and recycling. As cities expand, waste recycling offers both profit and environmental impact. Innovative models such as plastic to bricks, organic waste to biogas, and e-waste recovery are booming. Governments are supporting eco-businesses through plastic bans and sustainability policies, while green investors back trash-to-cash startups. Point 4. Event equipment rental and sound systems. A centralized warehouse and digital booking app can serve weddings, trade shows, and religious events. It's a fast-moving, cash flow-rich business. Point 5. E-commerce and logistics. With smartphone use, surging e-commerce is exploding. The real gold lies in logistics, especially mile delivery, e-payments. Social commerce integration, like WhatsApp, Facebook Shops, will continue merging into full e-commerce platforms. Point 6. Africans still lack electricity. Affordable solar solution, from pay-as-you-go kits to mini-grids, provide both sustainability and profit. Solar ventures offer steady growth and social impact. Point 7. E-tech, thus e-bikes, e-cars, and charging stations, rising fuel cost, and green policy are accelerating electric mobility. E-bikes and battery swap stations will dominate in 2026. Early investors in charging infrastructure will secure long-term market leadership. If you found value in this episode, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this channel, Generational Code. For more conversations that decode success, innovation, and impact across Africa, until next time, keep building, keep believing, and keep unlocking your generational code.